WWG53.
Weather bulletin for the following counties: Crawford, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 5:15 a.m. At 4:31 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Edinburgh, or 13 miles southwest of Erie, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cory, Edinburgh, Union City, Girard, Waterford, Wattsburg, Canada Lake, Lincolnville, Rockville, Lake City, Slavia, New Village, McKean, Spartansburg, Elgin, and Avonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.